All right, so you need to find two integers that multiply equal 14 and add up to -9, which are -7 and -2. Right, -7, because -7 times -2 equal 14, and -7 add -2 equal -9. All right, go back over here. All right, so 2x squared minus 9s plus 7 equals 0. Okay, so we just write like this. Okay, s, all right, length times s length equal 0. What you need to do is to fill in the blank right here. Okay, the blank right here is come from here, -7 and -2. So you put -7 right here and -2 right here. Now, if the coefficient in front of s squared equal 1, and you're done right here. But because coefficient in front of s squared equal 2, which is different from 1, and then you need to divide its constant right here by 8, right? By this one. Alright, so I have -7 right here. I need to divide by 2, and I need to divide by 2. Okay, and then you simplify. This one you cannot simplify, right? Okay, because -7 over 2, -7 is not divisible by 2, so then you multiply this one like this. So you have 2s minus 7, and then -2 divided by 2 is going to be -1. So this one is going to be s minus 1 equals 0. And then this is the zero product, right? So you just divide this one in half right here. Okay, so you have 2s minus 7 equal 0, and then this one s minus 1 equal 0. Each of them must be equal 0. Okay, so this one is two-step equation, right? So you solve this one. So s equal 7 over 2, and then s equal 1. All right, so these are two solutions. S equal 7 over 2 and s equal 1. All right, s equal 7 over 2 or s equal 3.5. Okay, it doesn't matter. 7 over 2 or 3.5, that will work. Okay, all right, so I put the solution right here. It's going to be 7 over 2 and then 1. Right, the reason why I put solution over here so that I'm going to use another method, and I'm going to check to see if I get the same answer. Okay, all right, so we finished the first method. Now we're going to move on to the second method. The second method is the most challenging one. Okay, so let's see. All right, second method, you need to identify A, B, C. Okay, all right, second method right here. Right, completing the square. Okay, now the second method, you need to move the coefficient right here. Move it to the right. Okay, so you just rewrite this one. It turned out to be 2s squared minus 9s, all right, equal -7. All right, and next, in order to complete the square, okay, you need to divide coefficient in front of s square. Okay, make sure coefficient in front of s square equal 1. Okay, so I divide this guy by 2, divide this guy by 2. You need to divide both sides by a equal 2. Okay, divide this one, so it turned out to be 2 and 2 right here gone. So basically you have s squared minus 9 over 2 s equal -7 over 2. Okay, now recall completing a square, right? Completing a square, if you have a square plus 2ab plus b square equal parenthesis a plus b square. All right, and then if this one negative, and then this one must be negative. All right, so this is the complete square formula. Alright, go back over here. So basically, I just rewrite this one. Okay, I rewrite this one. Look at the formula right here. We need three terms on the left. Okay, three terms in order to get the complete square right here. Complete square on the right hand side. Now on the left hand side, we only have two terms. We need the third term, right? Alright, so I just rewrite this one. S squared minus 9 over 2 s right here. Okay, add this one blank like this for me, equal negative 7 over 2. Oh, negative 7 over 2 add blank. Okay, now you need to fill in a blank right here. In order to fill in a blank right here, you take the coefficient of s right here, which is 9 over 2. You divide by 2 and then you square. So 9 over 2 divided by 2, which is 9 over 4. 9 over 4 square, so you put 9 over 4 right here, square. Okay, so you just literally add 9 over 4 square on the left hand side. You need to do the same thing on the right hand side, so that the equation does not change at all. Okay, so the right hand side should be 9 over 4 square. Okay, now go ahead complete the square on the left hand side. So this on the left hand side, this is actually complete square. Okay, so basically in order to do this one, all right, you need to complete square. So this is s square, you just write s right here. This is 9 over 4 square, you just write 9 over 4. Okay, you just remove square. Okay guys, open parenthesis, close parenthesis, square right here for me. Now we need to determine the side right here. This side right here come from here. Okay, come from here. If this is a negative side, and then this should be negative side. If it is a positive side, this should be positive side. So this negative, so this one must be negative. Okay, now the right hand side equal negative 7 over 2. Now 9 over 4 square, 9 over 4, I put this on the side, I just calculate this one. 9 over 4 square should be 81 over 16, right? Minus 7 over 2, so minus 7 over 2. Now I need to find the common denominator. Common denominator should be 16. Okay, 16. So I need to multiply this one, multiply the top and bottom by 8. Okay, so I have 81 minus 56, right? 81 minus 56 over 16, right? So 81 minus this 56 equal 25 over 16. Now I leave 25 over 16 over there, so I put 25 over 16. All right. So this is actually complete square. Now at this time we just divide, we just split this notebook in half, right? The left hand side should be s minus 9 over 4. Remove the square equal. This one you need to take square root on the right hand side. Square root of 25 equal 5. Square root of 16 equal 4. Alright, the right hand side right here you copy exactly what you wrote on the left hand side right here. So should be s minus 9 over 4 equal, alright, 5 over 4 right here. But instead of 5 over 4 you put negative side right here. Okay, one positive and one negative. Now you just calculate this one. You just add 9 over 4 both sides. Okay, if you add 9 over 4 and you simplify, s should be equal, right? 14 over 4. 14 over 4 you simplify, it should be 7 over 2, which is right here. If you look at it, 7 over 2. Alright, so I box the answer. 7 over 2. Now the second one right here, I add 9 over 4 both sides, so it should be s equal, right, 4 over 4. 4 over 4 equal 1. Alright, so I box this one. Now I check it right here. 1. That's right.